Hi, Best Carpet. My name is Michaela. I spoke with somebody on the phone today who said I could send this message over. Real quick, this is just a small video that's going to showcase 3 different aspects on why your competition is beating you and how to get brand new leads to your website in short order. So to start, I'm going to talk about the number one thing that probably has the most organic movement for your website up that Google platform, and that's going to be content. And content is anywhere that actual text shows up on your website. As you can see, you guys don't have hardly any content on your homepage, and I'm going to tell you why content is so important. Anytime you do a basic Google search, Wikipedia always shows up as the number one search option. Why is that? It's because of content. Google every few weeks does a sweep of the internet and finds content-rich sites and naturally just starts moving them up the Google platform. So having a lot of content within your site and especially on your homepage is going to help you get found by Google. So I'm going to recommend about 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on your homepage alone. Secondly, when we talk about services, we typically recommend anywhere between 5 and 750 words of text on every additional page. By doing this, for 2 reasons. One, we get a lot more content to our site. And what do we know about content? Google loves content, okay? But it also allows us to put appropriate keywords within the text for those specific search criterias. So anytime someone searches carpet cleaning or area rug cleaning in your area, if you have that content and those keywords in that text, then you're going to be found for those keywords. Let me show you what I mean. This is Ahrefs, and it gives me just a basic breakdown of how you're doing on the internet today. As you can see, you're only getting about 10 people coming to your website every month. Naturally, as a business owner, we want our customers to be able to find our website as well as be in front of as many people as we can. So by doing that, we need to rank for more keywords. When I go here to your keywords, we can look at your position. And it looks like Texas Best Carpet Cleaning, you're on the first page for that, but only 20 people are searching that keyword every month. And beyond that, you're on page 2 and farther back for most of these keywords. So again, having appropriate keywords in the content on your website is going to be able to help you those keyword rankings go up for you, okay? Next, I want to talk about these 2 numbers here. This UR is directly related to citations, and a citation takes us to this GMB, or the Google My Business. And a citation is anywhere that your business name, address, and phone number shows up on some type of online directory. So think Yelp or Yellow Pages. So how do we get to the top of this GMB? By adding a lot of citations. Naturally, these 3 are going to get the most business just based on visibility alone. Most people don't like to do a search and then dig on multiple pages. Typically, the top 3 people on the web search here or on the first page of a Google search are going to get the most business. So securing both of those things are going to be crucial, okay? When you do this, this UR number is going to continue to go up, okay? One thing that a lot of people don't know is Google likes these 2 numbers to be as close to a 1-to-1 ratio as possible. It's what we call the golden ratio. And when you achieve that golden ratio, you actually have a lot of stability on your website. As you can see, you started higher here over the last 3 months and it just slowly started to dwindle down. So having these 2 roughly at a 1-to-1 ratio is going to provide a lot of stability for you, okay? This DR is directly related to referring domains and backlinks. And a backlink is anywhere that your business's website shows up on a different website's platform. So think HomeAdvisor or Angie's List, where ways that you can advertise and link back to your website. Although not all referring domains are created equal and not all backlinks are equal, we typically say the ones that get a lot of business, that have a high rating, that have a high traffic to them, getting a good quality link on their site is going to refer a lot of that influence to your site, causing this DR number to go up. So again, just to recap, get some good citations, crawl up that GMB, get one of those top spots, get some backlinks on some good quality websites as well, giving good references as well as good influence to your site. Let's start ranking for more keywords by getting more content on your website, including 750 words on every service page with appropriate keywords, as well as 1,500 words of text on your homepage alone. This is going to allow you to get seen by Google and start moving up those rankings just from doing this easy work on your website. Well, I hope this was good information for you guys. If you have any questions, please let me know. If it's not too much trouble, please leave me a quick email. Just give me your thoughts about this video, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye-bye.